We're talking about cybersecurity, innovation, technology-driven. I have Alicia and Katarzyna with me today. That is kind of a privilege for us to see the industry moving forward. And for me, thank you for the opportunity to be talking to you and actually offering knowledge to everyone that is watching us. Moving forward, we know there is a lot of geopolitical issues, a lot of push on the sustainability agenda to kind of have the wind building faster and become more sustainable, less dependent on the old infrastructure. How do you see policy doing in that market and moving forward to help on the sustainability agenda first?
I think we as PGE are a very good example of energy transformation and decarbonization. But I will not be saying that we are very speedy in that process. We are rather cautious and rational because we have a history of doing that and generating energy for many years.
Just like Katarzyna said, it is very crucial to be patient to do it and do it very carefully.
Especially that Poland was not a leader in offshore, if we are here talking about offshore, because we as Baltica, we are offshore company, offshore project company. So since other players were first, we can have a look and see what they did wrong, what they did right, and then have our own view.
And in terms of protection, what you guys are thinking and how you see the market on cybersecurity? As you know, we are from the cybersecurity side.
Yeah, I know, but I know nothing about what you are doing. And to be honest, the main goal why I agreed to this meeting was that I was hoping to learn something about cybersecurity on the other markets, but responding to your questions. We obviously thinking of that, but we have nothing set in stone at the moment.
At the moment, yeah.
Especially the regulations regarding cybersecurity, security of critical infrastructure, defense are now being also prepared by the government. So we are trying to take active part in this process, but we don't have one idea how to do it.
Fantastic. Well,
because obviously you can imagine as a cybersecurity person interested in offshore that physical security of that infrastructure just doesn't make sense. Yeah.
Totally not.
Yeah.
But the digitally, yes.
Yeah, that's why I'm really hoping to hear from you.
How it is important.
How you are doing that.
Well, I think it's important. This week we are implementing offshore in Italy, implementation on cyber to protect against threats. I think offshore the communication is a key for you to continue operating the turbine. So as everything is digital, energy is a digital asset today, as the kind of a digital economy that we live. And if you don't protect that, tomorrow can be kind of hard to maintain.
But you have to agree, I hope, that you don't do it physically. You just do it digitally, in a sense. So there is a signal there.
It could be via cloud, so reading sensors from the site. Or we install a device into the site. Depends site by site or asset by asset. However, what we try to do is reading kind of a behaviors that's happening on the asset, which could be interpreted as a kind of a potential attack.
And how early in the process you need to put those into the installation, in a sense, yeah? So is it something that should be really...
At the beginning.
At the very beginning.
Yeah, but we always like to think security by design. So that means that when you are building, having the security in the beginning is better than in the later stage. One, costs less. Second, also, you don't have to retrofit anything in order to protect your site. So, of course, security by design is the best one. However, in this industry, offshore, onshore, in different renewables assets, we always have to accommodate any request for the client. So we try to incorporate the security in any stage of the asset needs.